All right, guys, Dr. Cary here. I'm making a smoothie. I'm gonna take my time here. I'm usually rushing to try to get it in 60 seconds for Instagram, but today I'm gonna do this one for YouTube. So I'm taking my organic fortified almond beverage. I call it almond milk, but it's from Costco. I fill it up about a third of the way because that's gonna be my base, right? I'll usually put in a little bit of real cream, like organic cream. Just gonna pour a little bit in there just to make it a little smoothier and kind of richer, okay? Sometimes I add a little bit of ice cream. I'm not gonna do that today actually, but I'm gonna put a big scoop of this good protein because I like it to be thick like a chocolate shake, or a vanilla shake in this case. So a big scoop of that good protein will go in. Okay, now it's getting kind of full, right? I'm gonna add just a small scoop of this creatine. Creatine is good for our cells and our brain. And I'm just gonna put one small scoop right there into my smoothie. I usually do that once a day. I know my son really likes the creatine too. We bought the big tub of it this time. I like this PB&B. This gives it a peanut butter, nutty flavor. It's got some healthy fats and healthy protein too. I just sprinkle a little bit in there just to give it that nutty flavor. Okay, now we're getting pretty jam-packed here. And finally, I'm gonna put in this organic strawberry mix, just a few strawberries. When I first started making smoothies, I would overload it with fruit. I'm just putting in 2 or 3 strawberries here. They're frozen, which is good. It's going to make my drink nice and cold, and I like that. And I like it when it's kind of on the thicker side. And that's it right there. So now I use this magic bullet right here. It's an older style. I mix it up, just like hand mix it, and then I'm going to blend it up right here. That's pretty good. Sometimes it gets a little bit, stuff gets stuck. I like to shake it up and do it again. And then just gonna open that up, take a look at it, nice and foamy, kind of like a milkshake, which I really like. And I'm gonna have that now. If you have any questions about nutrition, if you wanna know about healthy food, healthy snacks, if you're trying to lose some weight and get in better shape, we do lots of webinars on metabolism, on losing weight, on getting in better shape. It's something that I've studied, I've practiced myself. I actually wrote a book about it on Amazon called The 100-Day Diet, where I lost 32 pounds in 100 days. And I learned a lot of lessons that I still use today.